Hi guys, welcome back again. This is Mon, your trusted real estate broker. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the actual site and the showroom of Solara Stories or Solara Park Stories here in New Valley. Okay, panoorin niyo po ito. This is the actual site of Solara Stories, Solara Park Stories, New Valley. Yan. The new Avida development inside New Valley. Condominium development po ito. Ayan, katabi lang po siya ng Amaya. Okay. Alright, this is the showroom of Solara Park, New Valley. Yeah, the studio unit and the one-bedroom unit. Okay, I'm gonna show you the studio. Ito, approximately 26.5 square meters. Ayan. Ayan yung details sa studio. Ayan. And then this is the actual turnover of the unit. Bare unit po ito. So pagpasok po natin, makikita niyo natin dito sa left side yung toilet and bath. Ayan. Okay. Ito, and then yung kitchen, yan, may cabinet na siya, may sink, yan. Tapos yung provision for refrigerator, yan. Yan yung balcony, yan. This is 26.5 square meters studio. Okay, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung one bedroom unit po. Okay, punta tayo sa one bedroom unit. For the one bedroom unit naman po, yan. Ito yung one bedroom unit with balcony. Nasa 35.8 square meters po siya. Okay. Yan. Ang showroom po nito nasa Solinad 1 lang po, New Valley. So, this is the one bedroom unit. Pagpasok po natin is makikita natin yung kitchen. Ito naka-dressed up na one bedroom unit lang po ito. Ayan. Okay. And then the toilet and bath. This is the toilet and bath. Yung mga gamit po nito, not inclusive on the sale po. Naka-dressed up lang to para papakita sa inyo yung interior. Kung paano siya i-design. Yung one bedroom unit. Okay, this is the bedroom and with balcony. Yan. So, pwede siyang lagyan ng cabinet dito. Ayan. And then, yung balcony. Okay, if you're interested to invest a condo unit, whether a studio or one-bedroom unit in Solara Park Stories, New Valley, kindly please call to my mobile number po. You can reach me through Viber, WhatsApp, even Telegram, email address. So, contact nyo lang po ako anytime po. Again, this is Mon, your trusted real estate broker po. Maraming salamat.